All right, Mike McGroarty here from mikesbackyardnursery.com and Mike's Backyard Nursery on YouTube. Couple things. If you're watching in a previous video, I got a bunch of daylilies. I sold everything. The daylilies just didn't sell this year. I sold one or two, maybe three, I don't know. But I'm done with them, so these are going in the compost pile. But I've encountered this before, especially with daylilies, they are not going to come out of that pot. They're just root bound in there. So I'm going to show you something that I just figured out, and it works really good. My trusty rubber mallet, a few smacks, and boom, out they come. Again, if you grab that water roots off of the bottom, that might help, but not really. But a few smacks all the way around, and out that comes. That pot broke though. That's the first one that broke on me. No tags in the compost pile. That one is going to come out. But most of these that I've been doing, like this one, is probably going to be very difficult. A few roots on the bottom. It came out. But anyway, all the ones that have not been, because there are some I beat on them and I beat on them and I beat on them, they wouldn't come out. And all I did was just smacked around the bottom a little bit with that rubber hammer, and they came right out. You know the drill. Time is money, and you can't spend forever. Let's see how these are. These are larger, and I expect them to be pretty challenging. So we'll see. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe I'm telling stories. That's a good thing though, because you know why they're coming out? Because I took the time to set up the camera and everything. Because before I did that, I've been out here fighting with them until I went and got that rubber mallet. So anyway, I'm not going to bother you anymore with that. But I'm going to tell you right now, and you've probably seen me use this thing before. Trying to think, and I was probably getting something out of the pot. I don't remember. I just know I did a video earlier this spring where I had the handy mallet going. So anyway, getting root bound daylilies out of the pot, use your rubber mallet.